Going live, and man, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I've got a lot of new stuff that's been going on. We have been 6 years into curly hair artistry. We are going into over a year and a half with Cultivate Your Curls. We have a whole new group of hairstylists doing Cultivate Your Curls, as well as Curly Hair Artistry Mastery Program. That's a new mastery program that teaches you everything you need to know, from cutting, product application with the MAP method, business principles and concepts to help you expand your brand to become known as a curly hair specialist. It's working all over the world. So stay tight. I'm going to be running around today and keep you up to date with what's going on. Hey everyone, this is Scott Musgrave. I wanted to show you a tip to get fullness with thin, fine, curly hair. So as you can see, my hair is a little bit short. My hair is, I woke up, this is what my hair looks like when I get out of bed. So I am going to cut the tape off. I'm going to do a little bit of filming to show you how I get some volume after I do the MAP method. So the next time you see me, my hair is going to be wet, and I want to show you after I do the MAP method what my hair looks like before I do my little secret tip. So stay tuned and I'll come back to you in a second. So there I am. You can see my hair is in nice clumpy formations. Now if I was to dry like this, you can see my scalp. So, and my hair looks a little bit flat. So really, before I did the MAP method, before I scrunch my hair to press the products in and remove a little bit of excess water, the very next thing I do before I do that is take this, a good old fashioned pick. I lean my head forward and I go right from there all the way through my scalp. From my scalp to my ends. I shake it out a little bit. Now you can see what's happened is I got a lot of little formations instead of bigger formations. People want nice clumps and they want volume. That's a little bit difficult to do. I'm going for volume with finer clumps. That's realistic. So some people are trying to get volume and clumps. That's unrealistic for a lot of people that have fine, low density hair. Now if you have thick, dense hair with volume, automatically some people want clumps to reduce the volume they have. Other people have finer hair and the hair is closer to the head. They want more volume. So I've really found this to work. Now if you have longer hair and you have hair that falls over to the side, you may want to just take this and lift it up, pull it out. Lift it up, pull it out. Therefore it's not flat on your head. So now I'm going to take my little fabric and watch what happens, because when I scrunch it, it starts to tighten up and make nice little clumps. And from here, let me get that. Now I got a bunch of little finer clumps, and you can tell it's puffed up off my head and it's given me a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna dry it right now. I'm at my work, so I'm gonna sit under the hood dryer, and when I come back, I'm gonna have a little bit of a crunch, what we call a cast, and I'm gonna scrunch it out and let you guys see what that looks like. All right, my hair is dry. So the next step is I wanna scrunch it out. So you can see it's kinda hard and it's a little bit crunchy, but for me, I don't really see through my scalp at this point right here. So this is actually really good for me. So really all I do, and I sat under a hood dryer, and I pat it out. Now I don't scrunch it out from the scalp. I could if I wanted more volume, but let's see how this looks. So I used a light hold gel, and I had a little bit of hydration, and I used a cream-based filler. My hair was very wet. So this right here, I can see that that looks really nice. I'm gonna have really nice looking hold. I live in North Carolina. It's gonna get really humid. And this will hold up just like this, even in a rainstorm. I don't even like rainwater on my hair. My friend Danielle Duran, she says rainwater is like a free refresh, and it is, because the rainwater is actually it's nice. I love it. I wish it came bottled, because I would use that on my hair all the time. So again, I've got some information down below about the MAP method. If you want to check that out, feel free to check that out. It's a course that's individualized and has guided help from a wonderful community to make it individualized, so that you don't need to stay online, you don't need to stay searching for the next best product, becoming a product junkie and holding products under your sink, spending money all the time and time all the time trying to learn things. So hopefully this little tip gave you an idea of, hey, get out your trusty good old-fashioned pick, use it just to lift up. If your hair is long, lift it up there. Now I could lift this out and even make it more, but then it would start to look like I didn't even use any products, like how I woke up from bed. And some people find that just fine. But I didn't need to refresh everything. Now my hair is clean, my scalp is clean, my hair is hydrated, it's fresh, it's got a proper filler and proper sealer to help me last the rest of the day. With my hair this short, I usually can only go one day, and I water refresh or dry refresh, and those are explained in the Cultivate Your Curls online course. So also, if you're interested, I do have a course for professional hairstylists. It's a curly hair artistry mastery program, and that goes over everything from cubist cutting to product application of a professional version of the MAP method, as well as business to help differentiate you and be a curly hair specialist. And there's people already in it, a small group that started out from all over the world, already getting beautiful successful results. And there's also a link for that down below. So you guys have a good day. Leave me any kind of questions that you want, and I'll be glad and happy to respond to them as best as I can. You guys have a great day.